This week, I want to show you guys how to properly cook a steak. I know not everybody have fancy smoker or nice grill, so I want to show you how to properly do it in your own kitchen with the tool you probably already have. And of course, we will pair this with the perfect wine. So enough talking and let's do this! The first thing you want to do is to put salt on the steak. Here I'm using fleur de sel. Season both sides and don't forget the edge and the fat cap. Put it on a cooling rack in your fridge for up to 48 hours. This will help the flavor to intensify. Season your steak with black pepper. Don't add more salt. To properly sear the steak, put oil in a hot cast iron pan and put the steak on the opposite side of you so you don't get burned by oil splash. Make sure the pan is hot enough to hear that nice sizzling sound. The steak will be ready to flip when you have a nice crust like this. Don't forget to sear the edge and the fat cap. One big mistake I see a lot is starting with the butter instead of oil. If you do that, the butter will burn and it will leave a bad taste. Now that the steak is properly seared, it's time to put the butter, the garlic, the rosemary and the thyme. Now baste that gorgeous meat. The cooking time varies depending on thickness. Use a thermometer. We want 135 in the middle. Remember, the temperature will continue to rise while resting. By the time it rests, we will do a nice pan sauce. Here I'm using rosemary, French shallots and garlic. Use the same pan, don't clean it, we will use the fond for flavor. Put the beef stock, reduce, put your aromatic, cook for 2 minutes, add heavy cream and finish it with butter. You can add a thickener if it's too liquid. Pass it in a strainer to remove the solids. Now the steak had properly rest, it's time to see if we did good. And this looked like a very nice medium rare. Daddy's very happy. Remember last week we did sauté mushroom? I will put a link if you didn't see it. Alright, so now let's taste this. This is a perfect medium rare, 135 in the middle. The meat by itself is fantastic. The garlic, rosemary, and the richness of the butter in the meat, it's fabulous. So let's try with the gravy now. The sauce is a great addition to the steak. This is exactly how I like my steak. How do we pair this? Well, probably your first instinct will be, let's bring the big bold red in this. Well, you're right, my friend. So if you like wine from California or a New World, a nice Cabernet Sauvignon from Washington or California will be a great idea with this. Or if you like the Old World, a nice blend of Cab and Merlot from Bordeaux will be very nice choice. Here I have Le Château La Croix des Moines.
Pop.
This is a nice dark red color. And on the nose, blackberry, leather, and on the palate there's black fruit, cassis, it's earthy, and there's a nice long oak finish on it. This is a really good wine and it's bold. Alright, this was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If so, let me know in the comment. Hit the like button. Subscribe, it's free. And
See you soon.
good job. High five. Yeah. C'est fun, hein? Tu veux te manger encore?
Yes, yes.